Southern Parallel was founded in May of 2013 by two brothers, Pat and Richard Glazier. They're both out of Canada. They purchased the mill and started it back up. It was an old Abitibi Bowater mill that had closed back in the early 2000s. We provide southern yellow pine lumber from 5/4 all the way through 2x10. We have a multitude of jobs within the mill itself. We actually run two mills, a planer mill and a sawmill. We're looking for experienced sawyers, graders, millwrights, electricians, PLC experts, a lot of electronics in the mill, a lot of scanning. It's a good company. We have great benefits. We have great people. It's a great area to work in.
Hello, my name is Scott Bartame. I'm the wood procurement manager here at Southern Parallel Forest Products. I'm a forester, graduated from Auburn University in 2006. I came to work here in December of 2017, and my job more or less is to provide raw material needs for the mill and roundwood purchases. We use approximately 60 loads of logs per day, and at times that can be a challenge to cover that need. We buy logs for the most part in North Alabama and the surrounding counties, including Marshall County, but we also buy logs all the way from Georgia and into Tennessee at times. And you know, I also manage the residual sales for the company and the contract negotiations for the sales of those materials to paper mills and other forest products manufacturers that manufacture pellets and other medium density fiberboard. So we utilize logs that we buy, not just the lumber that's generated from them, but we utilize everything in the tree. A lot of the loggers and wood suppliers that we buy logs from, there is a great need now for more loggers, more truck drivers, diesel mechanics that are willing and able to work on equipment and trucks. So we need mechanically inclined people that are smart business owners that want to do that type of work.
I'm Brett Morin. I'm the second shift supervisor of cleanup. I started out here in the scale house working for Scott. Learned a lot about logs. During my night, we go through changing the blades, cleaning out any of the equipment, machines, different parts of the plant. We have the stacker, the sorter. I think one thing that most people don't appreciate is just how fast this mill operates. I did some math last night. An 1,800 square foot house is going to have somewhere around 2,000 board feet of lumber to get it framed in. This plant's going to run on average 40,000 feet an hour. So you're looking at 20 1,800 square foot houses per hour.
I'm Case Cova, I'm the plant superintendent. I look over the sawmill and planer mill aspects of it, the kilns. I actually got started here back when it was Abitibi Bowater about 20 years ago. Started in the maintenance department and more or less worked my way up. It's a really good place to work at. Interesting, where you can take a raw log and actually turn it into lumber. There's a lot of math into it. There's a lot more into making lumber than what people just think when they go to the store and buy it. You gotta know your knot sizes, your weighing parameters, your lengths and your sizes of your boards. We actually measure a lot in thousandths, so math's really important here. It's a great growing place to grow and learn more experiences other than a trade. I came in with a welding trade and mechanical trade, and they actually taught me business side of it, so it's a really great place to work and expand. And the people are great. You know, we got a family atmosphere here. You know, like Brett said, sometimes you get frustrated, but that's any workplace. But that's good, because you all come together and work together and figure the problem out. Good problem solving, especially with machines tearing up and stuff like that. So I love my job. Well, no, it's not really a job, it's a career. There's a difference between a job and a career. You know, you like your career, you know. A job is something you got to do. When it's something you enjoy, it's not really work, you know. But it's also surrounded around with the people that you surround yourself with. And as long as you got a good team, you know, it's not a job. It's fun.
Hi, I'm Melissa Ponder. I'm the Human Resource Manager for Southern Parallel and Parallel 33. You asked me what my biggest challenge was. In hiring, it's really hard to find people that want to work. The soft skills, having a positive attitude, work ethics, coming to work every day, being able to follow instructions, being able to follow work procedures, and also follow our safety procedures is a huge component to employment. You have to all work together. As far as skills, we go from general laborers to, you know, skilled positions. Our general labor positions start at $14 an hour. And if you do the night shift, you have a $2 hour premium that's added to that. It's also a very physical job starting out. But we have great supervisors that will train you to be machine operators. We also have grader positions. We also have maintenance. We're looking for machinists. We need diesel mechanics, electricians, CDL drivers, heavy equipment operators, forklift operators. It just goes on and on. In the main office, we could use clerical work, accounting, forestry services. So we have a wide variety of jobs and employment available. Now, to get those, a lot of these jobs, like in maintenance, we need workforce development. We need people that can weld. We need people that's got electrical services. We need welders. It wouldn't hurt to have some plumbing skills. They're all needed in these facilities, these industries. For us to grow as an industry, we've got to have people. And right now it's really, really hard to come across skilled laborers. A lot of my job is working with contract workers that come from other countries to work here. Well, we're a Canadian-based company, so we have a lot of contractors that come down here to work. So that's where most of our skilled labor is coming from right now. Benefits, we have excellent benefits. We have Blue Cross Blue Shield, major medical, dental, vision. Our owners cover 75% of the cost of our insurance for us as one of our company incentives. We also have an employee match 401k. We match 4%. You can put up to 15%. And if you're young, I could strongly encourage you to put money into savings because you want to retire one day. Holidays, we have 10 paid holidays here, and we have up to 3 weeks paid vacation. So we have a lot of incentives here. A lot of good people and a lot of opportunity to grow within our company. We always look to advance our people that are motivated to create a career.